Good evening, friends. I'm Nandakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Let us analyze the market for tomorrow. And before analyzing the market, we can see, let me show you what has happened. See, this was the weekly high plus it was monthly high. The reason for this, 30th June, monthly closing day. That started on Monday. So it is also a weekly high. Monday. So these levels are Monday's high as well as monthly high. 25,655 to 25,665. So this is my indicator. Already I have given it to many people, which plots the day high, weekly high, and weekly low and weekly levels. So here this is present day highs, present day high and lows. The red color boundary, it is plotting that. If you see the market, it has made a monthly high and this is the weekly low. So the only first, after the close of the month, first week has been completed, previous week, Friday, and yet the second week has to begin now. It is trading now. What has happened is it was the Friday's close, Monday, Tuesday was in a range, and there was a pop-up. There was a pop-up yesterday to the level of 25,543. There is an hidden double top and market could not go there and it started resisting and it has closed inside the range. You can see this is the Tuesday's lower level. This level is 25,424. If I place the cursor, you can see exactly 25,424.15. And the market made the low of 25,424.35, finally closing around 25,476. That means there was no range expansion. You can see, you can consider there was no range expansion. Market has closed inside the range. That means a doji type of candle is forming on the weekly time frame. Today it's Monday, Tuesday. Let me label it at Wednesday. So probably the market may not exceed this level. It may close as a inside bar, inside weekly bar. So this low is very, very important, 25,332. Market may tomorrow, it may breach this level. Already in my morning video, I had mentioned that there is liquidity beneath this. There is liquidity beneath this. So the levels to watch out for is 25,377. 25,377. Suppose if the market dips to this level and reverses, grabbing the liquidity beneath that, it can reverse and trade within this range. The range is 25,548. Suppose in case if the market takes the liquidity here, grabs the liquidity, let me take this tool and show it to you. And then if it crosses this, there is liquidity around this area. So whatever may be the price action, probably market may end within this monthly and weekly range, 25,000. Market, I feel this week market is not able to cross this level, make a new high. So we need to see the price action over here. Only if it starts breaking below this weekly low, that is 25,331, then we can anticipate for the lower levels in the market in the coming weeks. Now, at present, the market may finish off like a Doji type of candle on the weekly. Tomorrow there is, if it grabs the liquidity around 25,377 and reverses, then you can initiate a buy trade in the market. Otherwise, if it starts breaking below this level, 25,328, breaking, not only breaking, it has to close below that. Then weakness will start in the coming week. Market may start continuing down move in the coming week. Otherwise, it may end as a dozy type of indecisive type of candlestick formation on the weekly. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, Friday is the closing day of the week. Based on the India VIX as yesterday it was 12.2. Now today, today it has gone down still more, 11.94. VIX is very less. It is coming down. So the levels to watch out for on the based on the VIX levels are 25,316 and daily high to be 25,635. These are the boundaries for the today, and weekly boundaries are 25. So somehow market may not go to this week this boundary 25,898 or weekly low 25,053. Only market will show us a direction within this week, whether it is closing within the range or it is breaking below the weekly low. That is most important. So it is unable to break above this level. So we need to watch the price action. Maybe range type of price action you can see in the market. The range may be tomorrow from here to here. You can anticipate for 188 to 188 points range you can anticipate in the market. Or if it expands to this level, you can anticipate for a 236 point range in the market. That is weak. That is the VIX level. Let us carefully watch and see what sort of price action will be seen in the market. So these are very, very important levels I have marked and I have shown you the analysis. So you also note down on your chart, take a screenshot and mark out the levels for tomorrow's trade. Coming to the Bank Nifty is also presenting the same type of picture. Monthly plus weekly levels are placed over here, and this is weekly high and this is weekly low, Friday's low. And market is trading within this range. So that means this is previous week's high and low, and this week's high and low, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it is within the range. So price action is within the range. Neither market is making an attempt to break. Only if it starts breaking above this level, new high we can see in the Bank Nifty. Otherwise, it can trade within this range and market may finish off within this range. So it may be a range bound type of session, and the baseline midpoint of the range, previous weekly range, is placed around 57,380. Any move up to this level may face resistance. Market may start moving down also. Bank Nifty also. So the levels to watch out, immediate levels to watch out are 57,571 as a resistance and 56,855 as support. Here, weekly low is placed around 56,619. So market may hold this level. And we can patiently wait for the, most probably this week, finishing might be within a range and a dozy type of candlestick can form on the weekly chart, because it has the price action is indicating that it has no momentum to cross this, either this level or break below this level, weekly levels. So friends, tomorrow is expiry day. You need to trade cautiously because the VIX has contracted from yesterday 11.9. So you need to be careful. When VIX goes down, lot of volatility or directional move you can see in the market. Trendy move you can see either to the upside or to the downside. So let us hope the market show some direction to the market, because the whole week has passed within a small range. Every day it is a small range of trade. Actually, small range of trade. If the people, it is a writers' market, writers' week. It has become probably the people who have written the call and put option. They must be gaining money. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. Before signing off, I wish you all profitable day tomorrow.